Welcome to the Marketing Publishing Mastery Training. This training will help you build an online business from scratch, even if you don't have any experience at all. You will become a fully equipped and successful marketing publisher. A marketing publisher uses the model of affiliate marketing to promote products and services from companies around the world on his own online properties. A publisher connects consumers and brands by sharing useful information and gets paid usually in the form of commissions. It's a very flexible, lucrative and scalable business model. You can partner up with thousands of companies and promote millions of products. This is the business model that got me started online in late 2014. I had no online experience at all, but I was eager to learn. And when the first sales started rolling in, I quickly realized the huge potential of this model. Soon, I managed to get noticed by big industry names and top affiliate managers, and so my affiliate business took off. Since then, I helped hundreds of brands acquire qualified leads and referrals and sell more of their products and services on the web. And now I am here to share everything I know about this business model with you, so you can build a profitable business as soon as possible. This training is delivered live online in the form of video calls, one-on-one. We'll cover every aspect of the marketing publishing model. I'll give you the mindset, the skills, the strategies, the tactics, frameworks, tools and resources, and I will keep you motivated. I will give you feedback and I will also support you daily, and I'll be there to answer all your questions. Don't forget to check the awesome bonuses that are bundled with this training below on this page. I'm very excited about this training and I look forward to working with you.